Okay, so your next step, once you've made all of your little thingies, what I used to do, and I still randomly do, and you don't have, again, you don't have to do it like this, but it just makes it easier when you're trying to throw all this stuff together. So now you're going to need backgrounds. So like when you pull these up, they're just blank, like there's nothing there. So you have to have that background, okay? So what I do is I just like in my free time, like when I say free time, if you've got like 5 minutes here, whatever, go to um go to your Google, and so you're doing April. So what's in April? So Easter. Okay, so Easter's in April. So you would do like Easter backgrounds, right? Um and then images. So you're going to go there, and you may not want to do Easter, but you can do like Easter. I'm making this up, whatever. So, I don't know, come down here, save this one. All right, so I'm going to click on that one, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to go to my pictures, and if you look. So like I made a folder in here for April backgrounds. You can put it in April. This right here is not super organized, so wait for it. Or you can put it in Easter. Okay. So I don't know, I think I already have this one actually, but I'm just gonna save it. I'll save it under Easter. So I'm gonna click. That should have been the first thing. You need to go. I'll show you how to do that in a second. I think you already know how to do that. And actually, I do have this one. All right, and so I have them labeled Easter 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna do Easter -5. Okay, so then that one's now gonna be in your Easter one. Okay, when you I think you know how to make those folders. But anyway, that's the second step is just start looking for backgrounds. So Easter is in April. You could also do spring. Spring background images. So bottom line, you are just going to save, like save all these. Click, right click, um, save image as, and put it in your pictures, put it in, if you already have your folder made for April, I suggest doing that. Put it all in April, then you'll have one for May. You'll have, this is what mine is. Hold on a second. Like you've got all my Dr. Seuss stuff was in there. There's my February. Like just make you a folder and just get it into April. Okay. So that's what you can do when you've got downtime is just start looking for image or for backgrounds. And for any kind of little cute pictures or anything like that that you might want to do, just start Googling and saving in your folder, in your pictures, in your folders, okay? And best way to do that, how do you do that? I can't even remember. I'll go to pictures. Oh, here it is over here, sorry. So to do a new one, you would do new folder. I'm in pictures right now. And so you just go to folder and you would make the new one. And so then you would do April backgrounds or whatever. And then that way, when you start saving your backgrounds, they can just all go into your April. Okay. I mean, like make it a ginormous one if you need to. So then you'll have April for next year. Then you'll just, need to do different months for next year, but you understand what I'm saying. Okay, that would be step 2. Just start saving stuff into your pictures, and for backgrounds. Okay, that way you can just pull them. All right, that's step 2.